Jake. Sorry I didn't hear you in all this rain. You look cold and hungry. Like to come in for a bite to eat?
No, I tell you, they'll not be feeding their ugly appetites with my food or my son.
Right, it would have been one thing. But of course, he made it not.
It's only a rubber knot. Things come over that to work. Shoot! Elena, open the door here. I'll be safe in here.
I can't see a thing. Oh no. Look, it's Kong!
Don't worry, we got a tram down here. I repeat, there is a tram in imminent danger.
Hey, Chopper! He's right. Hold on. Tram! No. Chopper 1 just crashed on the bridge. Hey.
Poster on the port side, that's the home of our own Chief of Police, Martin Brody. Well, Chief Brody really did blow up that shark, and he became a legend in his own time. Roy Scheider played him in the movie of our little shark episode. How many of you saw the movie Jaws? Oh, lucky you, he got to watch the film. He had to actually live through it. Pretty scary time. People actually thought that darn shark was going to jump through their bedroom windows and gobble them up as they slept. Amity 6 to base. Did you copy that? Sounded like Gordon on Amity 3. Over.
10-4, we copied. He can't be too far away. He was headed back in. We're picking up his distress signal now. Keep an eye out for him. I'll call Chief Brody. Base clear.
I don't believe this. Amity 6 to base. Amity 3 is seeking out the White House. I don't see any survivors. I don't know what could have done this except a shark. No.
Amity 6,
Shark! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Coming into the boat. What's it in? Shoot. Oh, missed again. Right? Hello? Is there anybody in here? Did you hear something? I said, we gotta go. Come on. Oh, stop dropping into gear. Come on. I gotta. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. Those things will blow at any time. We can't stay here. We're going for it! Oh man, what a day!
Amity 6, look out there! Right behind you! This is Brody.
We gotta call Ghostbusters!
Do it. Okay, come on.
His precise location at the precise moment in whatever time period he may have traveled to.
Doc, all pre-launch system checks are complete.
That's our cue. Hang on to your hats.
Let's get him! Oh, Doc Brown! No chance! That's what you think. Gotta get some gas, Doc! Peter, Doc! Going down! Going up! Going down! Going up! Here's my new house. You like it? I can fly circles around you buttheads.